Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming essentials, an updated Chrome or Edge and an active Google sign-in so settings persist. Once done, open Google. Com in a normal window, do not use an extension-first approach. Next, check your OS theme, Windows or Mac OS, because browser themes often inherit from the system. Make sure you can access browser settings quickly. You will toggle flags or site appearance there. This gets you immediately ready to apply dark mode to Google's interface with minimal friction. You now change the appearance inside Google and the browser. First, open search settings, choose appearance and select dark. This changes the search page. If that option is missing, go to Chrome//flags or Edge//flags and search for Force Dark Mode for web contents. Set it to enabled and relaunch the browser. This forces dark on sites that lack native themes. Make sure to restart the browser so flags take effect. And confirm search reflects dark styling before moving on. To finish, fine-tune sync and extensions so dark mode stays consistent. You should enable theme or settings sync in your browser so dark carries to other devices. If colors appear washed or inverted, disable theme or color-related extensions one at a time to identify conflicts. If pages still render oddly, clear cache or reset flags to default and relaunch. As a quick troubleshooting tip, if search results text is unreadable, toggle the dark option off then on again to reset CSS rendering.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.